I'm gonna hold it down for the girls who can braid, and I'm gonna hold it down for the girls that can't braid. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep it very, very simple so that way I am not struggling. This ain't so bad, right? Hi everybody and welcome to my channel, Divine Mix. Today I have a very simple and easy hairstyle tutorial. Now this is something you could wear dress down, dress up. It's gonna work out no matter what. And because there's some braids in there, I'm gonna mix it up a bit. I'm gonna hold it down for the girls who can braid, and I'm gonna hold it down for the girls that can't braid. So if you're still practicing or don't know how to braid, don't worry, I got you. Let's just grab some rubber bands and we'll be good. That's right, it's a 2-for-1 special. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear how this tutorial worked for you and if you have any questions. Now, first things first, we have to prep before we do anything. So let's brush our hair out a bit. Now that it's brushed out, we want to part it, separating the top half from the bottom half. And to make it a little bit easier, let's just tie up the back half of our hair. Well, let me do the front first, but tie up the back half of our hair so we could get it out the way and keep it out the way. And I'm actually gonna tie this up really tight. And you could get a little bit creative with your parting around here, but I'm keeping it simple. Like she said, we're gonna just keep it simple. So I'm gonna just kind of match what she's doing over there, but rubber band form. And like she said, you could get it as creative as possible in this part. Is that a straight? Okay, so I have the first side pinned up. I think I'm just gonna separate this into maybe 3 or 5, so that way it's a bit easier for me. So, and like I said, I'm just gonna keep it very, very simple, so that way I am not struggling. Okay. So I have my first part, and I'm actually going to divide it into 3 parts and put a rubber band around each, connecting it all together. So I'll show you that. And I'm using colored rubber bands so that way you can see where I place them. I'm trying to get this as like nice and perfectly parted as I can because I suck at parting. So you see, Nice and easy and neat. And just a heads up, I pre-oiled all my rubber bands, and if you oil them, they actually don't tug on your hair as much and doesn't pull out your hair. So I usually just put it in a jar, put like a few drops of oil, and just shake it around. Guys, I think that's the best braid I have ever done. So let's keep going. Not gonna lie, this is so much easier than braiding your hair. So much easier. This one, I'm gonna try to curve it so it just goes right across. That's coming out nice. I think because my sides curve a bit, I'm just gonna put 2 on each. Look at that, halfway done, and it's all nice and bright. This one's just loose, hold on, good. And now we'll just repeat that on the other side. Okay, halfway done, and with how this is, I think I might add some things to give it a little oomph because that side's looking a little bit nice. A little bit, just a little bit. And guys, I just want to say this, if you're bad at braiding, the more you practice, the better you're gonna get. I used to not even be able to do anything but basic braids, and these came out way better than I thought. So keep trying, keep practicing. Why do I feel like my head is slanted? I think it is. Oh well, it's too late. Almost there. Whew, finally at my last one. So excited. Whew, all done. All done. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So now everything is done up here. I'm just gonna pull out the back and style it a bit. Okay, so everything's braided now. So that means it's time to take care of the back. This ain't so bad, right? I'm just gonna add like probably a little bit of some curl definition with this. Yeah. Aunt Jackie's. Lovely spray bottle for just a little bit of spritzy spritz. Here we go. Put that back. It's nice. I think let me add a few charms. Look at this. So I have the charms in. I only put a little bit. I'm just gonna do one last thing. Kind of make it pristine. Actually, I'm gonna do just one thing so I don't look as bald-headed. Alright, now it's good. So, and if you can braid, this is for you. And you could keep the hair out, you could braid it, whatever makes you happy. You could change up the design. It's very simple, very easy. And this is the rubber band version of it. You could play around with it. It's simple, easy, and you could do whatever design you want. With that being said, let me know what you think and if I should do more videos like this all down in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.